AI humanoid robots are evolving at an insane pace, and this week, things just got even crazier. The gap between machines and humans is shrinking faster than anyone expected, with robots now displaying emotions, reasoning like us, and even developing lifelike movement that's almost indistinguishable from a real person. From groundbreaking AI brain models to next-gen humanoids that can learn and adapt in real time, the latest developments are pushing us into a future where robots aren't just assistants. They're starting to feel human. In today's update, we're diving deep into the latest advancements that are making humanoid robots more human-like than ever. Some of the biggest names in AI and robotics, NVIDIA, Figure AI, Agility Robotics, and 1X, are unveiling shocking upgrades, and we're breaking it all down. What's happening right now could change the way we think about AI forever. Let's get into it. Agabot has just released a brand new video that's turning heads in the robotics world. And for good reason. Their latest humanoid robot, the Lingxi X2, is showing off a powerful combination of balance, agility, and intelligence that signals a major leap forward in real-world humanoid capabilities. From precise, dynamic movements to seamless fall recovery, this robot isn't just walking upright, it's actively rewriting expectations for what compact humanoids can do. In the video, the Lingxi X2 performs a range of dynamic actions, including swift directional changes, kicks, and even kung fu-style movements that require high levels of coordination and motor control. But it's not just about flash. This robot can also recover from falls autonomously. If it gets knocked down or loses its balance, it springs back into action with smooth, efficient motion, a skill that is still rare among humanoid robots in its size and weight class. One standout feature of the Lingxi X2 is how quietly it operates. Many humanoid robots produce loud mechanical noise from actuators and servos, which can be disruptive in public or domestic environments. But the Lingxi X2 moves almost silently, hinting at high-performance, low-noise actuators and precision engineering, perfect for working alongside humans without disturbing them. Just as impressive is its use of vision-based perception and planning. Agabot has equipped the Lingxi X2 with the Go1 general-purpose AI model, enabling it to recognize and adapt to its environment with remarkable accuracy. The robot uses cameras and sensors to understand its surroundings, plan movements in real time, and even respond to human gestures or voice tones. The Go1's zero-shot learning capabilities mean the robot doesn't need pre-programmed tasks. It can infer actions from context, a foundational skill for any future general-purpose humanoid. Unitree Robotics, a leading Chinese robotics firm based in Hangzhou, is set to host the world's first humanoid robot fighting competition, dubbed the Mech Combat Arena, from May to June 2025. This groundbreaking event will feature 4 teams remotely controlling Unitree's G1 humanoid robots in real time, engaging in competitive combat matches. The competition will be broadcast live nationwide through platforms affiliated with China Media Group, offering viewers an unprecedented visual spectacle in the field of robot combat. The G1 humanoid robot, standing at 1.32 meters tall and weighing 35 kilograms, has demonstrated remarkable agility and motion control. In promotional materials, the G1 has been showcased performing complex martial arts moves, including 7 20-degree spinning kicks and rapid recovery maneuvers after being knocked down. These capabilities are attributed to Unitree's advanced algorithms, which enable the robot to learn any move, anytime. The Mech Combat Arena represents a significant milestone in robotics entertainment, blending cutting-edge technology with competitive sports. Unitree's initiative not only highlights the company's technological prowess, but also reflects China's broader ambition to lead in the field of robotics and artificial intelligence. The event is expected to captivate audiences and set a new standard for interactive robotic competitions. Tesla has just released a new video showcasing its fully autonomous Optimus humanoid robot, and it's a major leap forward. What stands out this time is the robot's ability to perform a wide variety of tasks entirely on its own, simply by following natural language instructions. There's no coding or manual programming involved, just plain human speech. What powers this new level of autonomy is a single unified neural network. Unlike previous systems that required multiple models for different tasks, this version of Optimus learns and executes everything through one network. Even more impressively, the model is trained directly from videos of humans performing everyday actions. Tesla describes this as a major breakthrough, saying it allows Optimus to learn new tasks much faster than before. In the video, Optimus can be seen handling objects with care, folding clothing, adapting to its surroundings, and executing commands in real time. Each task flows naturally from one to the next, with the robot responding instantly to voice instructions. There's no joystick, no remote control, just the robot interpreting and acting on human intent. This update marks a turning point in Tesla's robotics journey. It brings the vision of a general-purpose robot much closer to reality. With natural language understanding and a highly flexible learning model, Optimus is evolving into a robot that doesn't just perform tasks, it learns them the way humans do. This kind of rapid adaptability could be the foundation for integrating humanoid robots into homes, workplaces, and beyond. Agibot, a Chinese robotics company, has introduced the X2N, a humanoid robot inspired by the legendary Chinese figure Ne Zha. This innovative design merges cultural mythology with cutting-edge robotics, showcasing Agibot's commitment to blending tradition with modern technology. The X2N's design draws heavily from Ne Zha's iconic armor and energy, featuring a humanoid form factor that emphasizes full-body mobility. Its striking appearance is not just for aesthetics, it symbolizes the fusion of cultural heritage with futuristic engineering. The robot is equipped with AI integration, allowing for expressive interactions and dynamic performances, making it more than just a functional machine, but a symbolic representation of China's rich mythology in the realm of robotics. On May 21, 2025, U.S. Secretary of Transportation Sean Duffy visited Tesla's Gigafactory in Austin, Texas, to discuss the future of autonomous transportation. During his visit, Secretary Duffy met with Tesla CEO Elon Musk, with Tesla's Optimus humanoid robots operating in the background. The discussions centered on the advancement of autonomous vehicle technology and the potential for federal regulations to standardize its implementation across the United States. Secretary Duffy emphasized the importance of establishing a unified national framework for autonomous vehicles, stating, "You can't have 50 different rules for 50 different states. You need one standard." This sentiment was echoed by Elon Musk, who highlighted the challenges posed by a fragmented regulatory landscape and advocated for consistent federal guidelines to facilitate innovation and deployment of autonomous technologies. The presence of Optimus robots during the visit underscored Tesla's commitment to integrating advanced robotics into its operations. These humanoid robots, designed to perform various tasks autonomously, represent a significant step forward in the company's efforts to revolutionize both manufacturing processes and everyday life through robotics. Secretary Duffy's visit to Giga, Texas signifies a collaborative effort between government and industry leaders to navigate the evolving landscape of autonomous transportation. By engaging directly with innovators like Tesla, the Department of Transportation aims to develop policies that support technological advancement while ensuring public safety and regulatory clarity. Singapore-based robotics startup Sharpa has just unveiled Sharpa Wave, a cutting-edge 22-degree of freedom dexterous robotic hand that's setting a new benchmark in robotic manipulation. Designed with both precision and power in mind, Sharpa Wave is built to push the boundaries of what robotic hands can feel and do. Each fingertip of the Sharpa Wave is equipped with over 1,000 tactile pixels, allowing it to detect incredibly fine textures and variations on the surfaces it touches. With a pressure sensitivity of just 0.005 newtons, the hand is capable of registering subtle contact with extraordinary accuracy, an essential feature for delicate tasks like handling soft objects, electronics, or surgical tools. Despite this high sensitivity, Sharpa Wave doesn't compromise on strength. It can deliver 20 newtons of force at each fingertip, enabling it to perform robust tasks like gripping tools or manipulating heavier items with control and stability. The hand also boasts more than 4 Hz hand movement speed, meaning it can fluidly and responsively execute a wide range of gestures across all fingers. This combination of force, speed, and touch sensitivity makes Sharpa Wave a powerful platform for industries ranging from advanced manufacturing and healthcare to robotics research and humanoid development. With its debut, Sharpa is positioning itself at the forefront of next-gen robotic dexterity, where machines don't just move, but sense, respond, and interact like never before. Sam Altman recently offered a striking glimpse into the near future of our everyday lives, and it sounds straight out of science fiction. Speaking about the rapid development of humanoid robots, he said, "On that first day, when you're just walking down the street and 7 humanoid robots walk past you, it's going to feel very sci-fi. And I don't think that's too far off from like a visceral, oh man, this is going to do a lot of things people used to do." That moment he's describing, a casual encounter with multiple humanoid robots out in public, might feel surreal, but Altman suggests it's not some distant fantasy. It's a real, approaching milestone in the evolution of AI and robotics. The sight of robots seamlessly integrated into society won't just be a technological spectacle. It will mark a turning point in how we think about labor, presence, and what roles machines can take on. And it won't just be about novelty. That sudden realization, the visceral moment Altman talks about, will come when people start to grasp that these machines aren't just doing tricks. They're doing real work, replacing tasks that used to require human presence, assisting in daily life, interacting in ways that feel uncannily familiar. The shift will be cultural, not just technological. We're heading into a world where humanoid robots aren't in labs or on YouTube videos. They're on the sidewalk, in the office, at the cafe. And when that moment arrives, it'll be more than just a wow factor. It'll be a fundamental rethinking of how we coexist with intelligent machines. NVIDIA is making serious moves in the world of synthetic data generation, offering 2 powerful blueprints designed to supercharge how robots learn and adapt, especially in motion understanding and training. The first is Isaac GR00T Mimic, a tool that leverages a high-fidelity physics engine to amplify real human motion data inside simulated environments. Essentially, you feed in motion capture or video data of a person performing a task, and GR00T Mimic uses simulation to expand and diversify that motion, creating countless variations in pose, speed, and interaction with virtual objects. This dramatically increases the scale and richness of training data without needing additional real-world recording. But the second blueprint, GR00T Dreams, announced just yesterday, is where things get even more futuristic. GR00T Dreams fine-tunes a video generation AI model to create entirely new motion sequences based on a single input image. You show it one snapshot of a human pose, and the model generates a plausible video of how that person might move from that starting point. No physics simulation needed, just pure generative AI. Together, these 2 approaches, simulation amplification and generative synthesis, give developers and researchers flexible, scalable tools to train robots on vast, high-quality motion data. It's a major step toward enabling general-purpose AI models like GR00T to learn complex physical tasks by watching, imagining, and adapting, just like humans do. K-Scale Labs just dropped a bombshell on the robotics world, and it's shaking the foundations of what we thought was possible. A humanoid robot for just $8,000? That's not just a price tag. That's a revolution. And the fact that this breakthrough comes from a small garage startup in Silicon Valley makes the story even more incredible. Let's get one thing clear. This isn't some toy or concept model that will collect dust on a shelf. We're talking about a 5-foot-tall humanoid robot that walks, learns, and interacts, designed to live right alongside us in real-world environments. And it's not just functional. It's adorable, compact, and accessible in a way we haven't seen before in the humanoid space. OpenAI and NVIDIA have already taken notice. That alone tells you this isn't your average DIY robotics project. This is a serious, scalable technology that could democratize robotics in ways we've only dreamed of until now. K-Scale Labs posted on Twitter, "In 5 months, we built an open-source humanoid stack, an affordable 5-foot humanoid RL VLA models, and an OS for our Sim2Real pipeline for anyone to build on. We're releasing our robot learning and Sim2Real stack this weekend for you to try. Stay tuned. Persona AI is developing humanoid robots capable of working in some of the toughest environments you can think of. We're talking shipbuilding, heavy metal manufacturing, mining, welding, and complex industrial assembly. These aren't your run-of-the-mill robots shuffling packages in a warehouse. Persona's bots are designed to step into roles that are dangerous, expensive, and traditionally hard to automate. So, if you work in any kind of industrial setting, this isn't some distant sci-fi threat. This is very real, very funded, and moving fast. Let's break it down. This $27 million round wasn't just successful, it was oversubscribed. That means investors were practically fighting for a piece of this vision. Why? Because they see what Persona AI sees. A future where humanoid robots aren't a luxury, they're a necessity. Labor shortages are hitting critical levels. Workplace injuries are still far too common. And global supply chains need resilience more than ever. Persona AI is answering all of that in one fell swoop. Their robots don't need breaks, they don't call in sick, and most importantly, they're modular and adaptable. That's the secret sauce. Instead of designing one robot for one task, Persona's building platforms that can be customized and reconfigured based on the job. You need welding in a high-heat environment? Done. Precision assembly in a tight, awkward space? No problem. Structural reinforcement on a ship deck? Absolutely. What they're building is the functional equivalent of an entire skilled labor team, wrapped into a single, deployable, always-on machine. Tesla just dropped something that has everyone in the robotics world doing a double take. No cinematic buildup needed here. Let's cut straight to the point. Optimus danced. Yes, Tesla's humanoid robot just showed off actual dance moves in a video Elon Musk shared on Twitter. And not just stiff, robotic gestures. These were surprisingly smooth, coordinated, and, dare we say, human-like movements. Now that might sound like a fun gimmick, a robot doing the moonwalk or grooving to a beat, but this goes way beyond entertainment. What we just witnessed is a massive leap in how robots perceive, learn, and mimic human motion. And here's where it gets even more interesting. When Elon posted the video, the caption was simple, but the implications were huge. In the clip, Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot, is seen performing a sequence of dance steps that includes footwork with precise timing, rhythmic torso movement, and even a subtle swagger. It wasn't jerky, it wasn't awkward, it looked natural. This wasn't some pre-programmed routine slapped together for a marketing stunt. This was the product of a deep AI training regimen that took place entirely in simulation. Yes, all of it was learned without touching the real world until it was ready. That's reinforcement learning in action. Figure's latest demonstration of their Figure 02 humanoid robot didn't just showcase another walking, talking machine. It revealed a fundamental breakthrough in robotic stability that changes what we thought was possible.
We go from the back?
Yeah. In a stunning new video, the Figure 02 gets violently shoved, bumped, and physically assaulted, yet it refuses to fall over. This isn't just incremental progress. It's a quantum leap forward for humanoid robotics that brings us closer than ever to truly useful machines in our homes and workplaces. In a recent demonstration, Figure AI's latest humanoid robot, Figure 02, showcased its remarkable dynamic stability. The robot maintained its balance even when subjected to unexpected physical disturbances, highlighting a significant advancement in humanoid robotics. Figure 2's ability to withstand such challenges is not merely a display of engineering prowess. It represents a pivotal step towards integrating humanoid robots into real-world environments. Dynamic stability is crucial for robots operating in unpredictable settings, such as homes and manufacturing facilities, where obstacles and interactions can be unforeseen. The robot's design includes advanced sensors and actuators that allow it to respond in real time to external forces. This responsiveness ensures that the robot can adapt its posture and movements to maintain equilibrium, much like a human would instinctively react to being jostled. Incorporating such stability features is essential for Figure AI's vision of deploying humanoid robots across various sectors. That wraps up this week's AI Robot Update. And honestly, every week feels more like science fiction turning into reality. With robots evolving faster than ever, the line between human and machine is starting to blur. We'll be tracking every mind-blowing moment, so make sure you're following along. Trust me, you do not want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.